Mr. H.N. Sanpliang, Meghalaya NPP spokesperson, senior leader, is on the phone line live with me. Mr. Sanpliang, welcome to this broadcast. We have just got a projection that shows that out of the 2 seats in Meghalaya, one is projected to go in favor of the NPP, that is your party, and the other one to the Congress. What are your first reaction?
Good evening, Wasbir. Actually, I'm traveling from Delhi to back home to Shillong. I'm on the road. Anyway, thanks for having me in the panel. Well, the projection that we have seen over the last few weeks, after all the analyses have been done, we are going to make 2 out of 2, I guess, because Agatha definitely is coming in. Yeah, there has been a little bit of hiccups during the campaigns, but nevertheless, I think she has been able to make it. And Shillong seat, there's going to be an upset. Why? Because there has been a lot of anti-incumbency where Mr. Pala is concerned, and the people definitely are looking for a change. Why I say that is because the NPP's vote share has been considerably quite large this time. There has been a lot of few MLAs who have merged into the party, and they bring along their vote share. And therefore, we were looking at about almost 380,000 vote share. And therefore, we are counting.
Mr. Sanpliang, don't you agree? Don't you agree that there has been a tough contest in Shillong? It's a tough triangular contest between Amparin Lingdo, Vincent Pala, and the candidate from the VPP.
Yes, Mr. Wasby, I agree to that. But I think if you look at it carefully, we have a good vote banks, just not in Shillong, but all over the border area of Assam, Meghalaya, where we have good vote banks of the Garo population, the population, and BJP not fielding candidates from Shillong. Those BJP votes are also turning into the NPP banks. And likewise, in the Jaintia Hills region, we have a very strong hold of the NPP. And therefore, looking at all that, we are counting that definitely there should be the NPP from Shillong this time.
Right. Okay, Mr. Sanpliang, thank you very much.